Hey, I'm Sara Svensson from Sweden, and I'm currently an intern with the United Nations Environment Programme in Nairobi, in Kenya. Humanity is on a very dangerous path. We are currently collectively on track of driving ourselves to extinction. As a global citizen who loves life and care about the well-being of other people, other species and other generations, I feel a personal, moral obligation to do everything what I can to change this situation and steer the world to a more sustainable path. I'm driven by the vision of a world where everybody's grandchildren can live in harmony with nature and with each other. I'm joining the Elders and Youngers initiative because I believe that intergenerational dialogue and leadership will be an important step in the right direction.